we finally got our cabinet today. And there you see it. Angles in to meet the wall. And the countertop fabricator is going to be here next Tuesday. So this is nice. There's the drain and the two valves. And then it has drawers underneath. So in a tight location, that's kind of handy to have. And these slide out. They have the soft close. And then we have a little cabinet space here. Okay, there's a little rack in the corner now. You can see how we adapted a block of wood to fit the corner to hold up the curtain rod. And there's the wall for the ceiling for the tile and the shower. We need a panel of glass for that mirror yet. We'll order that later on. And we picked up a bonus medicine cabinet here. It's actually a very nice cabinet. I think it's a Newton. No, it is a Kohler. So it's a nice cabinet. I might get one of these for my own house. And then we'll finish tiling into the cabinet, but since the countertop is going to be here, we're just going to wait until that's installed in the sinks, and then we'll do that. Toilet is in and working, and there's the cabinet above the toilet, and it meets down at the bottom of the upper angle wall. So this will be good for stashing your toiletries and towels and what have you. So that'll be good. So yes, this bathroom is looking very, very nice. I wish we had that mirror ready to go, but even so, with the countertop people juggling around in there, it's probably best not to be here. Okay, that is going to be it until next Tuesday, and then the tile for the countertop and sinks, fabricators won't be ready to install that until the 1st of March. So we're getting ready to head off to another job here starting the next day or two. It's a pretty good major project. We expect it to take about 4 or 5 months.